Okay, today we are learning place value for Josiah. He's working on place values for his math and assuming numbers. So he came to the board and we wrote 8 plus 2 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10, 3 plus 7 is 10, and 7 plus 3 is 10. The numbers that make 10, okay? This is called assuming numbers we worked on today. We also worked on our phonics, okay? We read, I can read, peek the cat, get to bed. Okay, we read that. The children are right now doing their homework. More classwork with them. And this is what he's working on, place values. Okay, good job. Jonathan's working on his work right here. Good job. He's also doing rounding numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
The nearest thousands.
Yes, sir.
Okay. He worked on his manuscript already, and he's done his language arts. What are you doing?
English, ma'am?
English? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, sir.
Anna is tracing her capital B's. Okay, I'm gonna help her out. I'm gonna do hand over hand. And we're gonna follow along. Okay. Let me hold your hand. I'm gonna trace down, arrow, down, and around. Okay. It's down and around. Okay, so you do the next ones, okay? Down and around. Good job. Let's go on to the next one, okay? Good job. Down, follow the arrow, that's right. Nope. Down. Hold on, guys. Good job. Down and around. Down. Good job. And around. Good job. 209. That's right. That's right. Okay, baby, here I come. That's right, Saya. So Saya's now on place value, hundreds, tens, and ones. So he did it himself. We know that six boxes of pickles is 600, right? And 3 jars of pickles would be 30 tens, right? And then we have 4 pickles is 4 ones, right? So we add them together, we get 634. Well,